Everyone fears lions, sharks, and crocodiles, but the animals that kill the most. Humans each year are nothing like you expect. Mosquitoes alone end up to 1 million lives every year. Venomous snakes? Over 138,000. Rabies from dogs? 59,000 more. Even tiny freshwater snails cause 20,000 deaths, and assassin bugs add another 10,000. These innocent-looking creatures are far deadlier than the predators we fear most. You might be surprised to learn that the animals we fear the most are not always the ones that pose the biggest threat. Today on TopTensy, we're counting down the top 10 most dangerous animals on the planet, based on the real-world danger they pose to humans. Forget what you've seen in the movies. The truth is far more fascinating and terrifying. And trust me, the number one killer will shock you. Kicking off our list at number 10 is an animal known as the Black Death or the Widowmaker. Meet the Cape buffalo. Don't let its cow-like appearance fool you, weighing up to 2,000 pounds and armed with formidable fused horns. This is one of the most unpredictable and aggressive herbivores in Africa. Unlike other animals that might flee when threatened, the Cape buffalo is notorious for charging head-on. They are known to circle back and ambush hunters who have wounded them, and they won't hesitate to attack vehicles, with an estimated 200 human fatalities per year. This powerful beast has more than earned its fearsome reputation and its spot on our list. Number 9. Surprisingly, the hippo is far more dangerous than lions. Extremely territorial, aggressive, and fast. Hippos kill over 500 people a year in Africa. They can open their jaws up to 180 degrees, and their bite can crush bones like crackers. At number 8, we find another small creature with a deadly secret. The golden poison dart frog is only about 2 inches long, but its skin is coated in a powerful alkaloid poison called batrachotoxin. How powerful? One frog carries enough poison to kill 10 grown men. Its brilliant color is not for show. It's a warning. Aposematism. It screams, "Don't touch me," to any potential predator. Indigenous tribes in Colombia have historically used the frog's poison to tip their hunting darts, which is where the name comes from. Simply touching this tiny amphibian can be lethal, making it one of the most toxic animals in the world. Our next entry, at number 7, proves that size has nothing to do with danger. The tsetse fly is a blood-sucking insect found in rural Africa. While its bite is painful, it's not the bite itself that's deadly. It's what it transmits. A parasite that causes African trypanosomiasis, also known as sleeping sickness. This devastating disease starts with fever and headaches, but as the parasite invades the central nervous system, it leads to confusion, numbness, and eventually, a fatal disruption of the sleep cycle that gives the disease its name. Without treatment, sleeping sickness is almost always fatal. This tiny fly is responsible for thousands of deaths each year, making it a silent but deadly killer. Number 6. A crocodile is a large, semi-aquatic reptile that lives throughout the tropics in Africa, Asia, the Americas, and Australia. Saltwater crocodile, the largest reptile on Earth, and the ultimate ambush predator. Saltwater crocodiles kill hundreds of people every year, attacking with lightning speed and pulling victims into a deadly death roll, a spinning move designed to tear flesh. Coming in number 5, the box jellyfish's venom is among the most deadly in the world, containing toxins that attack the heart, nervous system, and skin cells. Floating silently in the waters of Australia and Southeast Asia, the box jellyfish has tentacles covered in millions of venomous barbs. Its sting is so painful that victims often go into shock and drown within minutes. This next one might be shocking. At number 4, we have the dog. Man's best friend. How could this be? The danger is not from the dogs we keep in our homes. The threat comes from rabies. Globally, dogs are the main carriers of the rabies virus, which is transmitted to humans through bites and scratches. Once symptoms of rabies appear, The disease is virtually 100% fatal. It is one of the most horrific diseases, known to man, causing delirium, hallucinations, and hydrophobia, a fear of water. While vaccines have made rabies rare in many parts of the world, it still claims an estimated 59,000 lives every year, mostly in Asia and Africa. A tragic reminder of the importance of vaccination and responsible pet ownership. Slithering into our top 3 is the snake, from the inland taipan, with the most toxic venom of any snake, to the saw-scaled viper, believed to be responsible for more human deaths than any other species. Snakes are masters of venomous predation. While not all snakes are venomous, the ones that are represent a major global health crisis. Snakebite envenoming is a neglected tropical disease. It's estimated that over 100,000 people die from snake bites every year, and hundreds of thousands more are left with permanent disabilities like amputations. The lack of access to anti-venom in many rural areas is a critical factor. They are silent, efficient, and, in the wrong circumstances, incredibly deadly. And now, for the number 2 most dangerous animal in the world. It's not the strongest, the biggest, or the fastest. It's an insect that weighs less than a drop of water. The most dangerous animal in the world is the mosquito. This tiny, fragile insect is responsible for more human deaths than all other animals on this list combined. Why? Because it is the world's most effective vector for disease. Mosquitoes transmit malaria, dengue fever, Zika, West Nile virus, yellow fever, and chikungunya. And finally, the most dangerous animal in the world is us, humans. We destroy environments, wipe out species, start wars, and cause more harm to the planet than any other creature. No predator has shaped Earth's future more than humanity. From wars that have claimed hundreds of millions of lives, throughout history, to the ongoing destruction of the very ecosystems that sustain us, no animal kills its own kind with such frequency and efficiency. Furthermore, our actions drive other animals to extinction and cause environmental changes that threaten all life on Earth. In terms of sheer destructive capability. So there you have it. From the mighty Cape buffalo to the minuscule mosquito, the world's most dangerous animals are often not what we expect. It's a powerful reminder that danger isn't always about size and strength. If you found this countdown fascinating, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to TopTensy for more videos just like this. What animal surprised you the most on this list? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.